Hillside Company. Me and my wife started this back in the 80s. We've been in business for about 30 years, and we grind for a lot of tree companies on the North Shore. And it's been very successful through the years. Our name has gotten more synonymous with stump grinding. The Rayco Super Tooth, to me, was a blessing when we first started using them. A lot of the teeth in the early days we've tried, and the teeth did not hold up. When the Rayco Super Teeth came online in the late 90s, it was a breath of fresh air to stump grinding. The teeth will hold on longer, it'll take an abuse, and they hold up to a lot of rocks, they hold up to ledge, they hold up very, very well in the normal day of grinding environment. When you start out on your normal day of grinding, you know, everything's razor sharp. As you're grinding during the day, you know, in the New England area, we hit an awful lot of rock, ledge, shale. You lose that razor sharpness down to a normal grind of an edge of the day. Now, the Super Teeth will hold on very well, excellent, that the other teeth will more shatter the carbide, where the carbide on the Rayco tooth stays on very, very well. The way the Rayco teeth work is they have so much teeth, they have a nice big carbide, and they have so much steel behind them that they hold very well. Now, if you look at the nomenclature of the tooth, the way when it sits on the wheel, it grinds here and relieves the steel, but the steel is still holding that carbide on. Even when it starts to wear down, you'll notice that the steel stays behind the carbide, and that's what the key of keeping the carbide on the tooth and it holding a grinding edge through the day of its longevity of the tooth. The reason this tooth is so durable is because you have a very big shoulder in here. When the bolt fits in here, it fits very snug. So when it's on the wheel, you don't have any movement. Now, when the wheel is that snug, when the tooth is that snug to the wheel, you're not going to get any slamming. It's going to be very tight, and that's another thing of the longevity of how much time you can get out of one of these teeth. For the money that a Super Tooth costs, for what we get out of it, has been great, very good to our profit margin. Put it this way, I've been in business for over 30 years. We cut thousands and thousands and thousands of stumps every year. If you look at my machines here, you see Rayco teeth, okay? Dollar for dollar, the Rayco teeth perform the best, hold up the best, and we can get many hours out of them.